Hello dear children, welcome back to Uma Talks, and here I am with standard 10th passages, and as you all know, I have already dealt with poetries, okay, literature poetries, writing section, okay. So all this and the grammar, complete grammar I've dealt with. If you have not gone through the videos, go to Uma Talks, you will get it. And this video is on passages. So if you practice it, there is no reason to lose marks. And passages will be two types, discursive and case-based. So in this particular video, I'm sharing discursive passages with you. So go through the passage and just see. Okay. So this is the passage. You must have read it. Or ye hai. If you have not gone through it, for a part. This is completely on nature and the animals. Nature is a great teacher. A river never stops flowing, just like that. Okay, it's a beautiful passage. And then I hope it's clear. Yeah, now it's very, very clear, I hope. So this is there. 5 questions from 6. So 3 questions are already there on the screen, as you can see. Yeah, try solving it, children, so that you have a good practice. And these, as you see, these 1, 2, 3, and 4: mythology, reading holy books, nature, and worshipping photos and idols of God. These 4 are there, and options 4 nahi hai. This is ABCD is the option. Okay. Then we come to 4th, 5th, and 6th. So these are the next set of questions from passage 1. As I told you, 10 passages will be there. 10 passage, if you do, there's no way that you will lose marks. That is for sure. You will learn how to solve the passages. Okay, I'm not saying that this passage will come for your exams, but then this will give you a good practice. Okay, let's go to the second passage. I will focus more about. See, 4 paragraphs are very clear to you. Up till nonetheless, for the young, the use of mobile phones can be like an addiction, and they can misuse it on mobile phones. Okay. And finally, we go to this 5th paragraph. Okay. And then we go to the questions. See. Okay. You can hear these songs now. There is a mandir beside my house, and please bear with me. Can't help it. Puja time. Okay. So these are the questions. 1st, 2nd, and 3rd is there on the screen. And then comes 4th, 5th, and 6th. Okay, 4th, 5th, 6th. Then finally we have passage 3, dealing with Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, please appreciate all the effort, children, all this hard work which is being done for you, only so that you can score good marks. Please put your comments down to appreciate, learn to respond. Okay. And do share it with your friends, whoever is there in standard 10th, anywhere, any school, any section. Okay. And yes. And if you have not subscribed, do subscribe, because you only get it when I share it with you. So if I don't share, you will not get it. So be careful about it. And if you subscribe, you will get the notification. So please do subscribe. Okay. So this is the passage, and then you have the question which follows. Okay, 1st, 2nd, and 3rd question is there, and yeah, whose teachings did the group generally followed, and then you have 4th, 5th, and 6th. Okay. Yeah. Then we come to passage 4. I'm going a little faster because I don't have to read the passage. This is for you. Okay. So this is the passage, first 2 paragraphs, and then I will put on the screen the other paragraphs very clearly for you. Then comes this. Try solving it. Agar karoge, then only you will gain the confidence. Try doing it. Okay. So this is 1st, 2nd. Then comes third, fourth, third, and fourth. That is very clear. Okay. So I will put fifth and sixth for you now. Fifth and sixth. Okay. Then we come to passage 5. This is fifth passage. This is for all classes, not only 10th. It will be beneficial for 10th, 11th, 12th. If you know anybody who is there in 10th, 11th, 12th, you can share these with them. This is the passage. When you have 10 questions, you have to answer from 12 that follow. So 12 questions will be there, you have to answer 10. But when you are practicing, answer only 12. Okay, you can see these are the qualities and these are the options. Okay. The second question, not clear. The reason why living on the edge has become popular. Okay, then the phrase potentially harmful circumstances. Then comes fourth, fifth, and sixth. Let's move to sixth passage. For Dr. The questions that follow. The second is very clear on the screen. Third I will put. Fourth and fifth. Okay, I will share the answers also with you. And when it's beneficial, do write thank you, ma'am. It is beneficial. क्या जाएगा? So this is passage 7. The importance of sprouts, the nutrients which contains. So this is the passage, a small passage. These are the questions. So 3 passages, 3 questions first. Then to come to 4th, 5th, and 6th. Yeah. So these are the questions, 4th, 5th, and 6th. Then we come to passage 8. Not read. This is passage 8. Okay. On technology. This is the rest of the portion. Then comes the questions that follow. So for second, third. Okay. And fifth. So answers I'll be providing at the end, but don't cheat from there. Okay, try doing it yourself and check yourself. You will understand what is your depth, how much you can do. The same goes for all the videos which I've uploaded. Okay. So, 6. Finally, we come to second last passage, that is passage 9. This is on Nepal. Okay. So children, following this, I'll be posting case-based passages also. So do solve it. Passages normally you don't get to do. So as much as you do, that will give a good practice too. Okay. This is the passage. On the screen. When we come to the options, choose the correct option. 3 questions I will put on the screen. For second and third, yeah. Then comes 4th and 5th. Okay. 4th, 5th, and 6th. passage, the last passage. This is the last passage, a small one. This is only with the hope that you score maximum of marks, children, with a good hope, so that all the children all over the country, world, wherever they are, they avail maximum and maximum benefit they can get with these passages, with these videos. Okay, so this is what is there. These are the questions. A, B, and C is on the screen. Okay, next we go to D, E, and F. Okay, that is what is there. I will share the answers also with you just now. Discursive passages, wait for the case based and literature. Two more. I will see if I have little time. I will be doing the sample papers so that you understand what sort of question will be there. So this is passage 1, passage 2, answers to that. Then I put passage 3 and passage 4. Passage 3, passage 4. Okay, you can check it after solving it. Then comes 5 and 6, even 7. Okay, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, then we come to 8, 9, and 10. So this is all, children. So as always, do subscribe to the channel and like, share, and comment. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Keep hooked to the channel and you will be getting the notifications if you have subscribed. Thank you all. Thank you so much. God bless.